This is a beautifully restored 1966 Mustang GT HiPo HiPo 289 solid lifter, 271 horsepower from the factory. This was the top of the line outside of the Shelby that you could get from Ford with the K-Code 289 HiPo engine solid lifters. This is a special order color. This is Sapphire Blue, and this is just a beautiful example. See here, the GT has the correct trumpet exhaust. We have Rally wheels with bias ply Redline tires. Love the red stripes along the rocker. Front disc brakes there behind the wheel. You can see their high performance 289. This is a beautiful restoration inside and out. It's got the Rally Pac with the tachometer built in. Just a beautiful interior. Let that truck go by so you guys can hear the engine better. Radio does turn on. I hear some static. It does have an 8-track here, ready to go. Santana's greatest hits. Do have a horn. Wipers. You have the fog light switch down here as part of the GT package. Alright, there you have it, folks. There is your K-Code high performance 289 engine. You can really hear those solid lifters right now. You can see here, there's your K on the inner fender. Beautifully restored engine compartment. See, it's got the right power clamps, the right cover piece, auto light battery cover. Does have the bigger exhaust manifolds that came up in the K-Code. So this is not the numbers matching, quote unquote, K-Code engine. It is a date code correct K-Code engine out of a different K-Code car, and we'll have more information for that. If you contact us, we have records and pictures of the chassis numbers and date code, if you name it. Paint body work is absolutely just stunning. Does have the fold down rear seat, which is just way too cool to Fastback. Door closes real nice, as you can see there. Gap's nice. interested in this 1966 GT Fastback K-Code, please go to our website. That's carsrememberwhen.com. We'll have about 80 plus high resolution pictures, including pictures of the undercarriage. We have some really nice red oxide floor pans you'll be able to see. Super clean under there. It's got the correct exhaust. The list goes on this car. There's no expense spared restoration. It is really just in excellent shape. And if you contact us, we can send you additional information that you won't see on the ad. That's from the previous owner. That is very detailed part numbers of different parts that were used, the engine casting numbers, you name it. Just give us a call and let us know if you'd like to see that. And if you have any other questions, please give us a call. That's carsrememberwhen.com. Thanks.